Hi, welcome to this painting demonstration. My name is Ryan Fox, and this is a step-by-step watercolor painting of the Salzburg, Austria skyline. I had a chance to visit Salzburg a couple years ago with my son. I always take him someplace overseas in August so he can, see the world. It's good for him, and also so I can take a lot of pictures too. This painting is going to have a lot of detail. So when I'm working on paintings that have a lot of detail, what I generally do is I start with the sky first, because if you don't get the sky right, if you screw it up, you feel really, really bad if you spent 3 or 4 hours drawing out all the details. So I started with the sky first and the trees in the foreground before proceeding to the city. Now, I realized I had messed up. I did the whole drawing of the city, then I realized that the hills in the background were way too dark. There's a lot of people who say you can't fix mistakes in watercolor, and that is completely not true, because you can see between these two slides that I lighten up the hills in the upper left-hand corner in the background. And now what I started working on is I'm just kind of go section by section. I'm working with the Schminke super granulating paints, which aren't very colorful, very, very bright colors, but they're very, very granulating. And so I just kind of go section by section. I start filling the left-hand side in, the right-hand side. I work a little bit more on the trees. While one section is wet, I start working on another area. And I'm constantly moving the painting around, just back and forth, changing the color so it's not a pattern. And then what I did at the very end is I outlined everything with the repeatograph pen. I was inspired by the artwork by an artist named Jonathan Frank. I saw his work years and years ago in Watercolor Artist magazine, so I was inspired by that. Of course, I'm not trying to copy his work, but I'm trying to take that technique and use it in my own paintings. And here's the finished piece. It's a 15 by 22 watercolor on 300-pound professional arches paper. The original is available, as are prints online. I'd like to thank you so much for watching this step-by-step demonstration today. And again, my name is Ryan Fox. You can find my work online. And thank you so much for watching, and happy painting.